Isiteleka sikakhukhulelwa ngoqo seKosatu ngezinsuku zakudala. Konke lokho sekufana nephupho.
We have the responsibility not to undermine the fight against this deadly coronavirus that has killed so many of our compatriots. We shall be convening socially distanced pickets and motorcades across all the 9 provinces and in many of our identified towns and cities.
Kodwa engunobhala jikelele weKosatu uZwelitshathu yena ukuchaza amalungu Umfelandawonye wezinyunyana wakhe ukuthi agcwale imigwaqo.
We will be in the streets. We cannot afford to just call on workers to stay at home and not be visible at the time when they are being slaughtered left, right and center by capital.
Nokho-ke uVavi uthi nabo bayayihlonipha imigomo yokunqanda iCovid.
We expect every worker that will be joining our demonstrations to be in a mask. If you can afford, please buy yourself a small sanitizer and put it on your pocket and continuously sanitize those hands.
Ngokwemigomo ekhona njengamanje kuvunyelwe ukuhlangana kwabantu abangadlulile 500 eminyango. uVavi uthi bazozama ukuhambisana lo mgomo kodwa kumele babekwe icala uma amalunga abo edlule leso sibalo. Mbongeni Mutsho, SABC eGoli.